What? Unbelievable. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Here we are at the house. Today is like week 4 of all of the work that's been done. So I will show you all of the stuff that has happened so far. And here, let's start on the outside. Take a look at this. So the outside of the house has had all of the siding, not the siding, but I guess the trim on the outside of the house. All of that's been repaired and painted. The shutters have been repainted black. Those look fantastic. Take a look at the railings. Like, the outside of the house looks really amazing. We have brand new black lights that are going to go over there by the door. The front door was painted black. Now these are called side lights. The little piece of wood that's like right next to the door, these are called side lights. Those are going to get painted white. The railings were repainted black. That looks fantastic. But yeah, take a look at this. The shutters look great. I love it. The whole front of the house looks really, really, really awesome. Let's take a look in the garage, because at the house now, we have a dumpster. There's all our garbage. And the garage is nice and organized and empty. This looks great. Let me take you guys inside. All right, we'll start here. This is the bedroom that's above the garage, and all of the carpet has been removed. This used to have green carpet. Take a look. It's all covered up in plastic because we got LVP installed up here. Look at how nice that is. That's so much better than the green carpet. And the walls have been patched. They're still doing some repairs. And then they're gonna, they still have some more LVP to install on these stair treads. And then they're gonna put a railing in here and then obviously repaint the entire room. So in the kitchen, they started tearing out all of the LVP that was here. This is the original linoleum. There's a couple remnants. This is what that LVP used to look like. This is still gonna get ripped out. And again, the subfloor here is gonna get removed because it needs to be level with the hardwood floor that's there, because they're gonna continue the hardwood floor through the kitchen. Take a look in the backyard, no more deck. So this is now ready for construction, but before we can do that, we're still waiting on our door. I've had nothing but delays. The delivery guy, who is driving all the way from California with the door, has had a couple flat tires, and it's just been absolutely frustrating to try to get this door here so that my guy can do the work that he needs to do. But there is still some more progress. I'm gonna show you the bathroom that's down here. I don't think you're gonna recognize it. It looks absolutely incredible. Let's take a look at this. Oh my gosh. This bathroom looks incredible. That tile, the white grout, the white marble, and then all of this flooring is the matte Carrera, and it's now been grouted. It looks awesome. This bathroom is gonna be literally incredible. And it's gonna be the wow piece for this bathroom. And so we ordered the sliding glass door with black hardware for this bathroom. And then there's a black rainfall shower head for this, and the handle and everything. So that's still waiting to be installed. And then obviously the ceiling needs to be painted. All of the water damage that is here has been fixed. It all came from the bathroom upstairs, and we resolved that issue. So there is no more water damage. This just all needs to be repainted and fixed. Guys, this is, every time I come into this bathroom and I see this, like, and it's literally from floor to ceiling, and it's just incredible. Here's a close-up. Look at this. It's just crazy. Love it. Guys, take a look at the dining room. No more wallpaper. They obviously still need to, you know, fix the walls, but no more wallpaper, which is fantastic. And we made the door for the kitchen much taller so that it matches the same height as the entryway into the living room. And we also made the door into the dining room, the doorway into the dining room from outside, we made that taller as well. So now everything's the same height. So this doorway is the same height as that doorway. It's the same height as that doorway, which is the same height as that doorway, and now the same height as this doorway. So now they're all the same. And I think it looks great. And this, I mean, just like being able to go from the kitchen down into the living room here is still just amazing. Design idea on the fireplace. I think we nailed a design idea. We're gonna trim 5.5 inches off of the mantle and lower it down 5.5 inches. We're gonna paint the mantle tricorn black, and then we're going to remove all the green tile and replace it with something white. Not sure yet what that's gonna be. Might be a white tile, might be a white marble. That's still TBD. Getting ready to head upstairs and wanted to show you guys. This used to be the formal living room, and now it has been walled off, and this is gonna be the 5th bedroom. I'll take you upstairs and show you progress. Look at this, no carpet. It smells so much better up here. No carpet anywhere. Let's take a look here. This is single vanity bathroom. Nice tile going down. Plumbing is all done, and the wall is still gonna get done. That's looking good. Let's go check out double vanity number 2, or bathroom number 2 with double vanity. And the walls used to have like, I don't know if you can see all of the mud in here, but the walls used to have like 1,000 pinholes from posters and God knows what else was hung up here. Subway tile all the way to the ceiling. I love it, guys. That looks so good. And we are gonna do white grout so that it just looks very minimalistic in here, and it's gonna be really nice. I can't wait to see the finished product. And we have the tile for the floor too. Down here, it's gonna be a white hexagon tile. Should look really nice when we're all finished. I've ordered marble tops for all 3 bathrooms. I can't wait to show you guys when they come in. It's gonna be incredible. Guys, take a look at the master bathroom. It is amazing. So we've got black hexagon tile on the floors. And Andreas right now is working on the grout for the white penny tile that we have here. And check out this wall that he built. I love it. The wall here, this is like, I don't know what they call this, a dignity wall or whatever. So like, obviously if you're taking a shower, the person that, is on the other side of that window in their yard can't really see all of your fiddly bits. But check this out. There's a niche right there, and then there's another niche right there. Really nicely built, beautiful. I love it. And then the tub is gonna go right there. So that would be the spout for the water, and then that's the drain. And the tub is gonna sit on an angle that way. And there's still plenty of room in this bathroom. And check this out, the wall is done. Everything for the toilet room looks really, really, really great in here. And obviously just a little remnant of what it used to look like. Beautiful. Take a look, guys. The bathroom with the single vanity, the floor is now done. It has the Carrara marble, and it is gorgeous. Take a look at the bathroom, guys. The shower walls are almost done. That tile looks so great. He's just got some final details, and this is gonna look incredible. Very excited. Nice work, Andreas. This is great, man. What a beautiful change. The side lights have now been painted white. They just look gorgeous. That's really, really nice. And the door handles have been changed on the outside. I am loving the way this house is coming together, guys. Take a look at this progress. The master bath looks amazing. Golly, that's so nice. So you can see the white subway tiles all done, and then this all has black grout, which is just awesome. The penny tile looks awesome. This is so good. The niches are all done. Those look fantastic. And all of this hardware is gonna be black. So it'll be the black rainfall shower head, and then the body jets over here, and then that's a handle that has its own shower head built into it too. And then so this location is where the tub is gonna go, and it'll go caddy corner. And it looks awesome. I love how the tile just came out fantastic, and I love the black edge that was used around all the tiles. This is great. The floors look awesome. And the floors are gonna get white grout. So it'll just be a classic black and white, beautiful master bath. I can't wait. We're working on getting the glass guy to come in so he can measure for the glass in here. This looks great. Really, really, I'm loving this. Let's go check out a different bathroom. So not a ton of progress in this bathroom, except that the walls have already been tiled and grouted, and it looks great. The white grout looks really awesome on the subway tile. Mirrors have been taken down. Obviously the countertop has been removed. They're coming tomorrow to do the measurements. So we've got, this is going to be Carrera Valentino, which is a marble that's gonna go on the top of this countertop, and then with vessel sinks, which is gonna look really great. I can't wait to see it. So the guys have started cutting the subflooring for the hardwood that's gonna go, that's gonna go in the kitchen. This way it all will match up with the hardwood that's over there. And then it all becomes one flooring. So you can see they had to get like a special saw because the cabinets are actually sitting on top of this subfloor. So the new hardwood floor is gonna match right up to that and cover up all the gaps. It'll be nice. But yeah, so they started cutting seams and they're gonna rip all of this flooring out. They already moved the fridge out of the way as well. Single vanity bathroom now has walls, the niche, and the tile is going up. So the reason why this was open for so long was because on the other side of this wall is the master bathroom. And because there was so much plumbing redone, we wanted to wait until the master bathroom was completely finished so we can test all the plumbing, and if there were any leaks, we can fix it from behind the wall instead of having to redo it and do all of that stuff. So it's done. All of this is now getting finished. Guys, take a look at this master bath. It is now done. It's not really done, but look at the grout. The grout's beautiful. The tile is gorgeous. The shower has been installed. So now we've got the rainfall shower head, the body jets. There is the little handle that I was telling you guys about. This is just looking absolutely incredible. We're still waiting on the vanity, but a lot has been done. I'm very excited to show you guys what's gonna happen in the next couple of weeks coming up. So that door, the big sliding door in the backyard, that's gonna get installed. The deck is gonna get done. The kitchen flooring is gonna get done. It's gonna be all hardwood. I can't wait to show you guys what that's gonna look like. Stay tuned. There's a lot more to come. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.